At first, German pilots laughed. Bright red tails on American fighters, new escort units, unproven pilots. They didn't look dangerous. But by the time the laughter stopped, the kill counts were already climbing. The Tuskegee Airmen faced doubt from the start. Segregation, low expectations, constant scrutiny. Even allies questioned them. Enemy pilots noticed the uncertainty. German fighter pilots judged by appearance. Bright markings meant easy identification. New units meant inexperience. They assumed these escorts would break first. They were wrong. The Red Tails had one mission: protect the bombers, no matter what. Not chase kills, not break formation. Stay close, stay disciplined. German pilots attacked expecting chaos. Instead, they met coordination, covering fire, quick reactions, no panic. Every mistake was punished. As missions continued, reports changed. German pilots went missing. Aircraft failed to return. Tallies quietly grew. Over time, the Red Tails passed 100 confirmed kills. Bomber crews asked for them by name. Losses dropped. Confidence rose. Pilots trusted the Red Tails behind them. Mockery disappeared. German pilots began avoiding certain escorts. Red Tails meant danger. The joke was over. It wasn't recklessness. It was restraint. They didn't chase glory. They didn't break formation. They stayed alive and made bombers survive. Over 100 enemy aircraft destroyed. Hundreds of bombers protected. Records destroyed myths faster than arguments ever could. The Tuskegee Airmen didn't just win dogfights, they rewrote reputations. Those Red Tails became a warning, not a joke, and the pilots who mocked them never laughed again.